At Calder, we design, build, supply and install high-pressure pumping equipment. As we build for the oil and gas and nuclear industries, we're required to meet very stringent safety and reliability parameters.
SolidEdge gives us really clear visibility of the space constraints that we've got. Everything in orange is all designed in frames. We've got certain components such as the lifting eyes that are added into it. We can create the frame and do a stress analysis, and if we find that it's massively overbuilt, it's easy to change using the frame tool. Sheet metal on SolidEdge, in my opinion, is one of the best features on there. It allows you to create a tab and then change the angles really easily.
It's imperative that we ensure that we can access the equipment for maintenance. We're not going to have clashes between different fabrications. Being able to bite down into the design and understand everything that's going on without having to build the 3D picture up in your own head like you would with a 2D drawing really helps.
Using SolidEdge on a day-to-day basis, my favourite thing about it is that it's very compatible. We can use it on Ian's iPad, so when he goes to customers, we can save 3D PDFs from it.
Now a customer has a concept of what he wants to achieve. I will then sit with my engineering colleagues and say, knock something up on SolidEdge. And within a day, we have exactly what we're going to produce. He can zoom in, he can turn around, and he can see precisely what we're going to create for him.
This project is one of our standard ranges. We've got a winch that sits in the roof. Using the SolidEdge meshing approach, we could turn it into a 3D finite element analysis model. Applied the forces, run a load case, and then slowly increase the material thickness.
Now that we have SolidEdge, the items are made for us, they arrive on the shop floor, and the assembly process is done without waste.
In SolidEdge we can see exactly how everything's going to fit, how all the pneumatic lines and all the cooler hoses and everything go in there.
We can present to the customer before he starts building his platform exactly what the machine is going to weigh and how much space it's going to take up.
We use synchronous technology in two ways. We use it when we're designing new items, so we can make something fit between two existing parts. And we also use it when we import parts from other manufacturers. Synchronous technology allows us to edit our imported data and make changes that would otherwise be impossible or very difficult for us to make. By creating an accurate design, means there's less time wasted on the shop floor. It's going to come in, they're going to be able to bolt it together and it's done. They're not going to have to take it into our fabrication bay and make any changes to it.
Before we adopted SolidEdge as our design platform, we incurred significant time and material waste due to unforeseen clashes and other issues we had during the build. SolidEdge has virtually eliminated both, contributing to Calder's ability to deliver on time, within budget, and to exceed our customers' expectations.